Do you want to earn $100 in 30 minutes? Just be with me. Hello guys, welcome to my new videos on YouTube. Today I came to introduce you an application that you can earn from $1,000 in 30 minutes. Subscribe this channel now. Let's go. Well, we entered the application. In the profile section, you can change the program language and other things. This is the wallet part of the program. When you can withdraw with different wallets. And in the referral section, you can share the referral link in your friend and earn money. And you can earn money in the offer wall section. Here you can listen different radio, your favorite radio, your country's radio, you generate radio, and you can search your favorite radio and listen. Subscribe this channel now and like this video.